Good morning, students. I'm Dr. Rajesh Kashyap. Today, I want to talk about session. So we have talked about in the last video. I have talked about the cookies. Cookies were the temporary variable which is keeping your data on your browser. Means whatever the information you want to keep on your machine on your browser, so that whenever you are going to log into your machine, that moment of time you are going to use that cookies value to be displayed on your browser. So for that purpose we have used the cookies, but in that particular session we are going to keep the information about the particular user on the server side. So here is the basic difference between the cookies and the session is that we are going to keep the record of the user, whatever the transaction he is performing on the machine, on the website, that all the information are kept into the session variable. So that is what is stored into this particular uh, this session variable. So that is what it is important. So first I want to showcase your presentation which I am using for this. So we have talked about the cookies. So we'll go to directly to the session variable. Okay. So we'll start with the session variable. So what exactly it is, the session? So session is a way to store information in a variable to be used across the multiple pages, right? So that is what important is. Whatever the information I'm going to store, it will be stored into the variable on the multiple pages. As we have used the cookies, we are not going to have the information is stored on the user computer in the cookies itself. But in this session, we are going to store the information on my server. So when we work with an application, you open it and do some changes and then you close it. This is much like a session. So when your browser is opened, you are putting some information, you are sending those information to from client side to the server side, and then you are storing those information on the server, executing the code, and then you are doing your transaction. After that, you are going to access and close the that particular browser. So whatever you are doing in that particular, from opening the browser to the closing the browser, all the information are stored into a session variable. So the computer knows you, who you are, and it knows when you start the application and when you have ended. So it is keeping the all the record into their system. But on the internet, there is one problem. The web server does not know who you are and what you do, because HTTP address does not maintain the state, right? So what we can do, we can use the session variable. So session variable solve this problem by storing user information to be used across the multiple pages. Example, username, favorite color. It's a by default session variable. It's last until the user closes the browser. So these are the information are kept into the, you have to create your variable. So session variable hold information about one single user and are available to all the pages in one application. So it is what most important. Just have a look with the one example of how to start the session. So session is started with the function called session underscore start function. So session is variable are set with the PHP global variable, or the you will say super global variable dollar underscore session. So we can access the information related to the session from the variable called super global variable dollar underscore session, right? Now let's create a new page called demo underscore session one.php, and in this page we will start a new PHP session and set some session variables. So how we are going to write dollar uh, question mark PHP and session underscore start. The function is being called and the PHP is closed. Now we are writing HTML HTML body question mark PHP. It's a global super variable dollar underscore session. It's an array and the name of the first field of the array favorite color, and the value assigned to this favorite color is green. Then dollar underscore session favorite animal, and the value assigned is here is cat. And now what I'm doing, I'm checking session variables are set. So when variable are set, I can display the message that yeah, my session is on, and we can keep the data whenever we want to keep. So it is going to display the message session variables are set, right? So when the most important thing is what, the session underscore start function must be very first thing in your any of the HTML page or the PHP page before any HTML tag. So that is what we have to keep into the mind. Get the PHP session variable value. So how we are going to retrieve the information of the session variable which is storing my information. So we will get the value using dollar underscore session variable. So we can display the value of the session variable using echo command. So just have a look into this particular page. Now I'm creating another page called demo underscore session 2.php. From this page, we will access the session information which we have set into the first page, demo underscore session 1.php. It means I have set the value in another page, but I am accessing the session variable value from the another page. So that what is the importance of this, right? So notice the session variable are not passed individually to each new page. Instead, they are retrieved from the session and we open at the beginning of each page using session underscore start. So whatever the page is having the information, that is going to be accessed to the another page unless until session is destroyed. So also notice the session variable value are stored in a global dollar underscore session variable. So this using this global variable, we can access the information stored into the dollar underscore session variables. So look at the example, question mark PHP session underscore start. So now again, so whatever the session we have started into the PHP 1 page, demo underscore session 1.php. Now I am starting again the session into the second demo underscore session 2.php. HTML body. Now I want to display the value of the session variable. So echo favorite color is concatenation operator dollar underscore session and passing the array variable name. So what is it is going to display the value of this variable fab color of the session and the value of favorite animal, right? So that is what, but these value are not stored in this particular page, but it is stored in another page, but it is going to fetch the value using dollar underscore session variable. It's a super global variable. Even another way to extract the information what are the value are stored in a session variable is PHP session underscore start doc type HTML, and we will use, instead of echo, we will use print underscore r is the name of the function, and we will pass dollar underscore session. So whatsoever you have the information stored in a session variable with a different variable, we are going to fetch those information as in associative array. So we have also gone through with the associative array. So it is going to display like this: array favorite color equal to green, favorite animal equal to cat. So this is what it is supposed to display on my screen. If I want to modify the value, obvious, just you have to assign a new value to your variable. So dollar underscore session favorite color equal to, instead of green I am assigning yellow. So it is going to have the another value. So value is modified, and then I am displaying print underscore r dollar underscore session. So it is going to display like this: array favorite color yellow. It was previously it was green, now it is yellow, and favorite animal cat, right? Yes. And once my task is complete to the particular website, then I'm going to unset or I'm going to destroy. When we are using unset, it is going to remove all the session variables. When I'm going to destroy, it is going to destroy the session variable. So this is the two method which we can use. So to remove all global session variable and destroy the session, use session underscore unset and session underscore destroy. So these are the two functions. How to start? Question mark PHP session underscore start. So now session has been started. Doc type HTML body PHP, then session underscore unset. So it is removing all the session variable, and session underscore destroy. It is going to destroy the session. So now session has been destroyed. This is what the session destroy function. Now I'm moving to the program which I have to start. So for moving this, I have to run my server. So first I'm going to check my server. So I have to search for the server. I'm going to check it. So join control panel. So what I'll do, I'll check my server first. I'll save, save, okay, and I'm going to start my session. So start the control my server first. So it is started. Then I'm going to start my MySQL. Then started. Okay. Now I'm going to stop sharing. Then I'm going to run my browser. So I'll open the local host. I'll check whether it is working. Yeah, it is working. So I'm going to into my file. So my file name is RK. So I'll open this. Herein I have created one folder. Its folder name is IMP. I'm going to start my program. See, the session variable are set. The first program which is saying session variable are set for setting checking the session variable. Two dot now it is displaying the favorite color is red, favorite animal is parrot. Then I'll go for third. So it is displaying the associative array value. So favorite color red, favorite element parrot. Then I'll change this 4.php. So again the value has been changed from red to yellow, and then I want to destroy the session. So I'm going to use all the session variable are not removed and session is destroyed. So this is what I want to share today itself related to the session. Okay, so if you have any query, please ask to me. Thank you.